Good morning, grade 8. Welcome to Computer Literacy 2021, and we will continue with Microsoft Teams now. So as you can see in the window here, we have all the teams. When you open Microsoft Teams, you have all your classes. So find the class that you want to work on and you click on it. Take note on the left hand side we had Teams there. If I ever want to go back to Teams, I click on Teams and then we can see the teams again. Then click on your class again, and then you go to the top here and you'll see a whole lot of different options. We have files. Click on files and then we'll see that there is a class materials, and then there might be some data inside class materials that a teacher might want to share with you, and you'll find it there, and then you can upload them if you wish. And then of course you have class notebook. In class notebook you will see your notebook only. I can see all of yours, but you will see only your notebook. I'm opening class notebook and see it takes a while. And when you see class notebook, then you can also see this little symbol over here which says show navigation. Click on it and you find your name, and you just basically choose the different folders that you need to work in, and in your folders you will have the different pages. Okay, you can put more pages in there if you wish. Over here it says untitled page, but as soon as you click on this right hand side, this comes up and you can go and put a title, work, and there it's now got a title, I like homework. So you can go and type anything that you want here. You can also insert things here. You can insert a table, you can insert a picture, you can insert audio even, and symbols and emojis. A lot of things. You can attach a file to it, and then the file will come up and show that it is attached. So there's a lot of things you can do in this notebook. If I click on this show navigation again, you go back to where you can see navigation. Right, we're going to assignments now. Yes, I'm dealing with one class, but you will have your own classes. So if you go to the assignments tab, you'll see that there are assignments there. Now let's say we're going to do this assignment. I'm just going to show it to you in student view. Now as you can see, there's instructions, answer the question in this notebook below, and then there we'll have the actual notebook. You just click on that and you will see that there will be some words that you must, some work that you must do, the questions and so on. In this particular one, there's 6 marks for this question, and the questions are listed and you type underneath. Now the thing with this notebook, when you click on it, I'm just waiting for the actual thing to happen. There's an edit notebook. Sorry, I forgot about that edit notebook button. I'm clicking on it, where you can make changes right here. When you click on edit notebook, then you're able to type inside here. Now it's not showing me this right now, but actually it actually is boxes that form, but it's not doing it right now for me. But anyway, over here, this is the first question. What is the name of the SpaceX rocket that took off on the 31st of May 2020 to take 2 humans to the International Space Station satellite? 1 mark. Now I've already filled in the answer there. Dragon 2. I'm going to make it red so we can see it better. You can highlight it and then click on there or whatever. And then over here, is this rocket reusable? And you answer yes or no. So I pressed enter underneath here, or I just clicked underneath here and I type, and I'm going to type yes. And then what is the name of the launch vehicle that was used? And I go there and I'm going to type the answer there. And what name did the astronauts give to the capsule they were in once they were in space? Actually the answer is Endeavour, but I found these answers on the internet. And what are the first names of the 2 astronauts? And the answers are on the internet as well. So you can fill in the rest of the answers, and that you go onto Google and search for the answers. Right, so that is how you would do one type of assignment. And you will be given these assignments. I'll put it in your assignments lists. All you need to do is click on it. And that's just for practice for you to use the notebook. There's another type of assignment that you could get. So we'll go to assignments again. Sorry about that. And yeah, is an assignment called First Assignment. Now this one is an assignment which you do in Microsoft Word itself, and this will only work if you have got Microsoft Word on your computer at home and if you're not doing the assignment on your phone. The previous assignment you could have done if you were using your phone for Microsoft Teams, but this one you have to have a computer and Microsoft Word on your computer so that you can use it, and Microsoft Teams on your computer, obviously. Right, so it says download the Word document on the class notebook in your Word section. Complete the instructions, save the file as your name, and then insert into the same page where the instructions exist. I'm just going to click on this, and then we're going to see what is on this particular notebook page. Now we will see that there's a Word document there. There are instructions over here, but then there's also a video how to do the Word assignment, which you can then go and run, and it will show you. It's actually a YouTube video, and it shows you how to do it. So you can run the video, and then you can go to this little icon here, which is a embedded. So basically what happened was the teacher included this file, inserted the file here. So what you can do then to get it is you can open it, you download, you double click on it, and it says download a copy. So that's if you see a little file that's embedded into the notepad assignment, you double click it, you click on download, and then it's going to download onto your computer. But that is the trick. Where does it go? Well, it will go into your downloads folder. So you have to go to your downloads folder. Now, how do we get to our downloads folder? Well, you find your Windows Explorer, you go to downloads, and you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here it is right there. There's the file that was downloaded. I've just downloaded. Didn't indicate to me that it had been downloaded over here, but it just magically went to the downloads folder on your computer. As you can see, we have a whole lot of folders on the left hand side here. I clicked on the yellow folder here at the bottom. We call this Windows Explorer, and it's where everything is, and you can find your computer, your C drive, your documents, your desktop, your videos, your pictures, and then you see downloads as well, and you also have music. So like I said, I had to scroll all the way down. Yes, I've downloaded quite a lot. We can see here, prevent the spread of COVID-19, so I'm double clicking on that. You open it. It's going to open Word now. This is just to demonstrate to you how to do the different assignments. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to post them as assignments onto your Teams, and you can try them for yourself to practice. I'm just showing you how to do it. Yes, I know, I've got a whole lot of different funny pictures over there, hey, that I've downloaded. While we're waiting, as you can see, it takes a while sometimes. If your computer is slow, because like mine is, the processor is not so so powerful, and the RAM, the memory on the computer, RAM in other words, it is not as large as it should be. Right, once you've got the Word document open, you have to click on Enable Editing. See that yellow bar at the top there? You click on Enable Editing, and then you can go and follow the instructions as per this video to do the work, or you can go and read these instructions one by one and basically do what is necessary on this assignment after watching the video. Right, so that is an introduction to computer literacy, and I hope you're going to enjoy your time with us this year. You'll have other teachers. I'm not going to be your teacher. You'll have either Mrs. Van Eyck or Mr. Hamilton or Mr. Davis, and you will meet them soon, or you probably have already met them. Right, thank you very much and stay safe.